Good afternoon, guys, and happy Sunday. I know it's a little bit off key for us to be here on a Sunday, but we had a very special day today with the East Coast Mini Club. They came down all the way to Bridge on their charity mini run. They're raising money for
Adam Brooks
Hospital, which is awesome. I think they raised just over £800. We had about 50 minis here, which was wonderful. They were all surrounded down the side in the car park. So they did a raffle and had some really exciting stuff, and we thought we'd tie it in with the draw of our Mini 1993 Mini Sprite. So as you know, it's got a few little pin details, which I think is what's made it absolutely sell out before the draw. So we have sold all the tickets on this Mini, so it's very exciting. So we've got a lot of people that hopefully are tuning in to see if they're going to win. If you are on the live to see if you are going to win either the Mini or the Mercedes today, please drop a little note and let us know what you're in for. So I know there's a few people in the building today who do have tickets to the Mini. Give us a wave if you've got tickets to the Mini, guys. Oh, look at them all. Fingers crossed, maybe they will be able to drive it home. That would be really special. But we are also here to do the draw for the Mercedes. Now, this wasn't meant to be drawn until Thursday. So the amount of times that I tell everybody, do not wait until the date's meant to be drawn, because if it sells out, we will draw it early, and this is now being drawn nearly a week early.
Super popular, this one, wasn't it?
It sold so quickly, didn't it? We didn't even get to go past the launch price. It all sold out at the launch price. So if there is something that you ever see on the website, don't delay to buy the tickets. Always grab them before you can. We will do the draw for this gorgeous Mercedes AMG just before we get the draw for the Mini.
This is usually when we have a look around what else is on the website, but we've sold everything out, so there's not much to see, is there?
It's so good. We've sold everything out, but we are going to try our hardest to get something after the bank holiday for you guys to have a little. So keep an eye out on Tuesday, like Tuesday afternoon, evening, maybe Wednesday morning, to see what's on the website.
So some of you may have spotted the electric Mini behind. Simon was very kind and left that with us for the East Coast Mini Clubs around.
Simon let me drive this the other day, and then he took me out in this. It was incredible. I'm going to do a little video, so if you check out my Insta or my Facebook, I will pop it up there on Wednesday. But this is fully electric with a Tesla engine. It absolutely flies to the point that the wheels, the tyres cannot cope with the power in the engine. It was incredible, and what I loved most about it is the fact, the story behind it. Simon had this as his parents owned this as kids, and then he renovated it because he didn't want to get rid of it, and actually it really means something to him, and he obviously loves it as well. So always check out what Simon's got. It would be really cool actually, guys, if we could do a little, take it to the track and have a little go on it and actually do a little film about it at some point. So that would be awesome. But for those of you who'd like to find out what we do next during the workshop, we do have a blog if you haven't already seen that. Sign up to our mailing list, which will let you know what cars come up first. Like this, everyone knew about the Mercedes, who was on the mailing list before it even came out. So that's why the tickets sold so quickly, just purely through our mailing list. So
It's worth noting that not only do you hear about new competitions first, but there's quite often a cheeky discount code sent just to our mailing list.
just a cheeky discount code. We love those, don't we, Freddie?
We do love them.
So we have today the Mercedes and the Mini up for a draw. Is there anybody on there live? Want to give us a wave, say hello, see what's going on, what you in there for?
Lots of comments about the Mini. I think that it's coming home with them.
Just pop it into next door as well, really, because it's nice and clean and tidy in there. So have a little look in there.
Absolutely, yeah. Let's go and have a look through to the workshop. None of our technicians are working today because it's Sunday, which is great. So we might be able to. We're not going to scare any of them off. This Volvo is just the most beautiful colour, and I found out it's a very interesting name of blue-green. It's very, very technical.
Not green-blue, blue-green.
Our Porsche was won on Thursday, the 944. That's going out to the new owner on Tuesday. It's had all its pre-giveaway checks.
We didn't get to call him live, but he phoned me back just a little bit after, and he was absolutely buzzing for this car. So it was really good to hear that he was looking forward to it.
He didn't answer, but I'm glad that he did call back.
Watch Adrian. Adrian says hello.
Hi Adrian, how you doing? So we've got some other bits in the workshop. We've got the 924, which has the coolest interior I have genuinely ever seen. And I would actually quite like a car with that sort of interior. Very cool. We've got the TVR getting its pre-giveaway checks as well. That was won on Thursday.
So Robin won our Mercedes SL55 and is also into the SLK.
Oh,
so he could have a pair of Mercedes.
People have won 2 cars before. So you never know.
Ian says the Mini's mine. Good luck, Ian.
Good luck, Ian. Absolutely. Anyone that is in the draw, please let us know. If there's anything you want to have a little look in the workshop, it's actually we've not got too many cars in here today, but we've got some we've got lots of stuff going on in the paint shop, and we've got a paint shop, we've got a trim shop, we've got all of the normal electrics and technical things, so lots going on. Brady, mind your head on this, please.
Well, thank you.
We're heading back into the competitions building. Guys, if you have any idea what we can call this building, please put a note.
Yeah, we need a better name, don't we?
It's a little bit rubbish, isn't it? Competitions building. I don't know. But we do have the new sofa and chairs, though.
That's a good point. Let's hear your suggestions for what this building should be called.
Absolutely. I'd love to know. And then we don't keep going, building next door. We've got a new sofa, 2 chairs. Wonderful. So, I'm very excited by them. So, head over to this area and we will start the draw for the Mercedes. I'm very excited about this. I very much enjoyed driving it, you know. It's a lovely summer car, and with the weather changing, although today it's a little bit, I don't know about you, it's not sunny Suffolk today, that's all.
Oh, Jonathan's saying the Hangar of Dreams. What's better than anything we've called it so far? So
that is fancy.
that's the winning suggestion so far.
Yeah, absolutely. So, for those of you who are new to this, the television is the same as the laptop. The laptop is all where we do all of the draws from, and we do all of the number draws through a random generator. So what we need you guys to do is just tell us if it's clear or not, just because we want to know if you guys can see what we can see. So I'm going to do a random number.
Yeah, let us know if you can see the stream clearly, guys, just so that we know that everyone can see the numbers that's generated.
So that you can see, yeah, what we're seeing. So here you go, that's just a random number, as you can see. Number picked up at completely at random. How are we looking, Freddie? Is anyone saying if it's clear or not?
We've not had any comments yet.
Oh, starting to come through now, so Nigel is saying all clear.
Cool.
If we can wait for a few more, Jonathan.
Yeah,
okay, right, it's looking
just
good now.
zeroed it off. Yeah, we're all good?
I think so.
So, Craig, remind me.
3999.
Thank you, because the book just vanished. Okay, so those of you who are, just so that you all know, if you go onto the website, you can see all of our entry lists. Every single person's name is in there for each list, so you know. So our Mercedes list is just here. Here we go. So those of you who won the draw for the Mercedes, very good luck. 3204. Anyone in the room? I don't think anyone was actually in the draw for this in the room.
We didn't ask though, to be fair, did we? Because it was the Mini Club, we thought we'll ask the Mini.
3204, correct?
Just double check.
Yeah. That right click?
Yes.
3204. There we go. Andrew Wells, 3204, correct?
Correct. Well done, Andrew.
Congratulations, Andrew. Well done. This beautiful Mercedes is now yours. Hopefully, if you're watching, say hi, and hopefully you can answer the phone, because on Thursday we only have one person answer the phone, which makes me feel very sad. So this is now yours. I know that it's going to be perfect for summer for you to enjoy. So, those of you who really would like to win a car of your dreams, keep an eye out on the website. Because you guys are so great, we have completely run out of everything. But we should have something live next week, so keep an eye on
I
that.
think pretty much all of the cars in this building are going to be a competition car at some point.
They are, and there's some real gems in here. We filmed the Jag the other day, and that is a real sheep. It's like a wolf in sheep's clothing. 4.2 litre in the engine there, and the kick down on the
Well, it goes, doesn't it?
It was just beautiful. I had a lot of fun with that. We've got some really cool things. I don't want to go into too much detail, but it's just very cool.
Okay, this is Andrew.
Wonderful. Are you giving me a phone without a case? You trust me? These guys trust me with way too many things. dog wanted to win the car. He's probably out having a Sunday roast. Shall I leave her an answer phone message?
Yeah, why not?
They talk so. Hi Angie, this is Hayley from Bridge Classic Cars. We have some great news for you, so if you can give us a call back, that would be great, and we will let you know what you may have won. Thanks. Okay, so hopefully Andrew will give us a call back, and we will let him know that he has won this gorgeous Mercedes, perfect for summer. So, a little bit more of a build-up, guys. Are you excited to win a Mini? Oh, yeah. The Mini Club are going to be excited to win a Mini. So we're going to do the draw for the Mini now. And it would be so ace if someone from the club actually won it. But who knows? Who knows? So I would love it if you guys could let us know if we're clear again. Just come through and let us know. Let us know if you're in the draw for the Mini.
Ken's saying if I win the Mini, I'll be sure to answer.
Okay, good. Good, Ken. It's like someone's by their phone, very ready and raring to go. So, entry lists are here. Again, we did 3,999 tickets.
Lovely. Nigel's saying it's clear. We're just going to wait for a few more so we can make sure everyone can see the screen clearly.
But also, guys, just remember the Mini did sell out as well. We sold all of the tickets, and that sold out yesterday. So, I mean, I know it was right up to the limit, but it's always good to know. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, can we buy tickets on the day? And if it's sold out, it's sold out. Are we clear?
We've not had any more comments saying that it's clear, so we'll just wait out until...
Come on, guys, let us know.
Daniel's saying all good.
Amazing.
Tim's saying all good. I think we're good to run the draw. Thank you, guys.
Right, for those of you in the draw, in the room, and also on Facebook Live, good luck. This is for the Mini. 614. Nice early number. There we go. Let's just double check on here. 614. Rover Mini. And that is Jake Lees. Is there a Jake Lees in the room? Is that right? Oh, sorry guys from the Mini Club, I do apologise, but we will get Jake Lees on the phone, 614, for this beautiful Mini that is very much up my street. Wide boy arches, cooper little details, and some real cool little chrome details. So, who is he on there?
No, that's what I was going to say. Drop us a comment if you are watching.
Give us a comment. We are yet to have someone live on Facebook say, it's me, or in our live draw. But so many guys. Please, little puppies. So, this was the last of the cars that we had live on the website, but we will get some up and running for you guys as soon as possible.
There's some very exciting cars in the works, isn't there?
They're so excited that we've taken a little bit longer to make some really good footage for you guys to see, but the problem is, it's not ready for you yet.
We weren't expecting the Mercedes to go so quickly, in all honesty.
Not at all. Well, we had that due to not be drawn until Thursday, so that's why it's taken a little bit, or we didn't realise it was it, but what we do like to do is if it does sell out, we want to draw it as soon as possible.
Absolutely.
Because what's the point of waiting? There's no point, and then you guys get your dream car as soon as you can.
Okay, we'll have Jake.
Okay, let's give it a go. Let's like to give our winners a nice little call. It's gone onto Wi-Fi, is it okay? If he doesn't answer, I'm going to be really sad.
No, 2 for 2 today.
Roast. We should do it so they don't get it. Hi, Jake, it's Hayley from Bridge Classic Cars. I would have loved it if you answered the phone right now, but we have got some great news for you. So if you could give us a call back, we will let you know exactly what is going on. Thanks very much. Bye. Go on.
I know you were joking, but of course we'll get in touch with the winners and they'll get their car.
I will definitely. person whose name gets called definitely wins, but it would be quite fun. You know, some of those old challenges where they're like, you have to answer the phone with a certain word. Maybe like we'll do a crazy competition like that one time. But guys, it has been wonderful to have you on a Sunday. Thank you very much to the East Coast Mini Clubs. Thank you very much for coming down, guys. So glad that they were able to raise so much money for charity. Obviously, we have got this Jacob that's won the Mini and Andrew that's won the Mercedes. We will get some more information out to you as soon as we have it, especially if you're on the mailing list. You will definitely know about all the cars that are coming up first hand. But for now, enjoy your Sunday roast, whatever you're doing this afternoon, evening, and we will catch you very soon, either on a live or on our Insta or on our TikTok. So we'll see you soon, guys. Thanks a lot.